Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this simple script that I wrote. And basically what it does is it retrieves the weekday, the corresponding weekday, from a date that you input. um, so let's get into it. This simple script that I wrote like a couple of years ago is only meant to be used for the year 2015, because I have a CSV file that was already made for me, and I already have all these weekdays for these dates for the entire year of 2015. So I was able to do that, but I want to like further expand on it and just make some simple improvements. So main function, and then we get into this CSV file with read, and we make a calendar, and date is our input value, and we input this. When I was retesting this, I didn't realize that it didn't have any of the zeros in the front of the numbers, so that's an improvement that I can make. And for X and calendar, corresponding date is just split like this format, so we just split on this comma, so 1, 2, and if the first one, which is the date here, and then if it matches, then we print the weekday thing to out here. So let's test this. Let's say today, but in 2015. Bam, Monday. Huh? It's cool. It's Thursday, but it was Monday, and that's the other function. So yeah, that's a really simple thing that you can do, but it's pretty convenient actually, because a lot of times you actually wonder, uh, wow, today's, for example, um, February 14th, what day is it? So everybody asks that question, and this is actually pretty cool. Let's get to the different things that I made here, and this version is just basically the same thing, but just improved a little bit. We have better variable names, same open thing, so better variable names. So we have date input, indicating that it's input, and now we have that exclude zeros in the front, so that the user just doesn't get confused when they put in zeros and it doesn't put out anything, because that's what it did. Um, and then we have better variable names all the way. Um, we split again, and then if it matches, then we put it. But if you pay attention here, the Monday, the output, it has a enter escape character, which is \n. So we want to remove that so that we won't get it. So I'll show you here. Let's do the same thing. I don't know. And then we have this escape character right here. I try to point that with my finger and realize that you guys can't see it. And then let's do the same dates again. January 7th, 2015. And now we don't have the escape sequence character. So that's that. That's the improved version if you want to use that. But the one I'm about to show you is way better one, because this works with any date and any year. So I haven't tested if it works with 3-digit years or less digits, but I hope it does. So we import this date time module. It has to do with anything with date and time, basically. And then we open the function. Again, we get the input, and so we make 3 variables here called day, month, and year. And then we use this to make a sequence of this. So we extract the day, month, and year, and then we make these variables, and then we're going to use these three variables to input into datetime.date function or method. Um, I think it's function in Python. Yeah. Is it method? I don't know. I get them confused all the time. And we get, but you get what I mean. And we put in the year, month, and day, and we will actually get the date, but in the date object format, not just the thing that the computer wouldn't understand. So now the computer knows what date we're talking about, and then we go to the outputting. So this function lets us like extract specific parts of the date object, and this means we're going to get the weekday, the name of the weekday, but in full. So if you do a tiny a or lowercase a, you're going to get an abbreviated version of the weekday. So like for example, Sunday will be just sun. But this time we're going to get the full thing. So let's do the same date, but in 2021. Bam, Thursday. I don't know if you can see this. Actually, you can. So if you go down like this, let's say, what was it? January 7th. Whoops. Where is it? Alright, there we go. Thursday, and it's Thursday as well. So that's that. Yeah, that was actually it. And you could just adjust this part, like these three lines, so that you could just do in a shorter, like more efficient way, or just a different way, or you know, the way you want. I guess. I can't speak. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something. These daytime stuff are really cool. Very useful, but the documentation is really long too. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.